Good morning, children. Today I'll take up English language for classes 11th and 12th. I'm taking up report writing and proposal writing. It is question number 2 of your question paper. 2A is report writing, 2B proposal writing. Report writing. Word limit is 300 words. You have to develop the report writing on the situation given. Report writing is also known as the situational composition. The report may cover a variety of subjects including A. Natural calamities like earthquake, flood. B. Disaster like air or rail accidents. C. Social practices and custom like relating to marriage, food, dress. D. Reviews of films, books, music, concert and play theatres. E. Survey of services provided by hotels, hospitals and other institutions. Reports on events or visits. Example is school events, annual function, sports day, dramatic events, visit to orphanage, visit to old age home. G. Advice or recommendations. Example, probationary advice, smoking kills. Recommendation, recommending a school, college, travel services, joining a club. Report is based on information provided is required. Creative students sometimes do not fare well in this situational composition because they find the subject less challenging. Extensive practice in this type of composition is an excellent discipline for good writing. The secret of success in this type of composition lie in mastering the skill of expanding or amplifying an idea. You will find this makes a demand on the imagination and entails as much creativity as with an original piece of work. As in the case of original composition, it is strongly advised that you make an initial rough draft of your composition. Your draft should be primarily an exercise in expansion of the ideas provided in point form. A way of judging whether you have done justice to the topic is to check if you have been able to elaborate each point with 3 to 5 sentences. Once you are satisfied that you have opened out the material, that is the subject matter, sufficiently, you should develop the flow of thought smoothly. A good way of remembering the effect of a report is that it is like a summary in reverse. Just as a summary removes all illustrations, examples and adornment and confines itself to facts, so reports add to and embellishes information. Note, there are some model report writing in your course book. Go through each report minutely. Observe the details. Do not copy the model report. Practice only the question 2A from specimen papers. Question 2A, direct writing or report writing. B is proposal writing. Now I'll be giving you some notes on proposal writing. Word limit 150 words approximately. Follow these steps for writing a proposal. Give a heading, introduction, statement of objective at least 2 points, list of measures at least 4 points, plan, suggestions, requests for approval. Write the subject heading, subheadings, write a concluding sentence, put your signature with name, mention your designation. After list of measure, there is another heading, budgetary needs, that is financial requirement. This heading is taken up if asked or the need is there to raise funds to meet out your proposal. Example, as the president of the school council, you want newspaper collection program for raising funds and contribute to missionary of charity for social welfare. Steps to be followed. Give a heading, introduction, what and why, statement of objective, list of measures, concluding sentence, signature, designation. Remember, we pick out most of the matter from the question itself. You may borrow words, phrases, and even sentences from the question. It is a proposal writing, so will not use the word can. Proposal is a request, so you have to use may. You are seeking permission for your request. You have to give a time limit for the program to conclude, and you have to mention the contact person. For example, teacher, coordinator, captain, supervisor, who would help in organizing. You may add your thoughts in enhancing the beauty of your expression. Referring to the question given in the example, let us now understand how to write a proposal. You have to mention the heading. Word limit 150 words. Proposal writing. Newspaper collection program. This will be your heading. Introduction will be, we propose to have a newspaper collection program for raising fund and contribute it to Missionaries of Charity for Social Welfare. Statement of objectives. At least 2 reasons. First one we are giving here. The program will help students to learn to contribute for social purpose. The second point here is, it will also inculcate value of kindness and generosity in students. List of measures. Students will be told to bring old newspaper to school. House captains will be responsible for collecting the newspapers from the students. The antechamber of the library may be used for storage after the collection. The collected newspapers to be sold at the scrap dealer at a fair price. Funds raised to be donated to Missionaries of Charity. This program may be supervised by Ms. Esper Correa, the librarian. Concluding sentence. We hope our proposal will be accepted and appreciated. Name and signature. Sarita Bajaj. Here your name will be mentioned. President. Here your designation will be mentioned. President, Student Council. Note. This is for you to know Missionaries of Charity is a social organization run by Mother Teresa's mission. Write this model proposal writing in your notebook to understand the step. Those who have the English language course book, Total English class 11, Total English class 12, may practice at least 2 other than this one. Do question 2B of test paper 1 and 2.